Hey everyone, it's Sean McKenzie. I'm coming back with another video for my buyers out there. If you watched my other video about the first meeting, or if we've already met, this is just another video to go on that next step of what's next. So when we met, I took down some more notes about exactly what you're looking for. You know, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, the ideal square footage, if you want a single story or multi-level, how many garages you want, if you want a pool or not a pool, all those other details, different subdivisions, school districts, zip codes, all of those fun details of where you're looking to ultimately buy your next home in. So this video is going to tackle the home search. And so with the home search, what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to set you up with a subscription, is what it's called in the MLS, the multiple listing service. And it's going to start emailing you with homes that fit that criteria. So I'll go in, I'll put in all of the criteria that we talked about. If you have, like I was mentioning before, if you have certain subdivisions or school districts or zip codes, or even if it's like a few streets that you want to stay east, west, north, and south of, I can create a box, I can put in that zip code, I can put in that school district, and you're only going to see homes that fit your criteria within that certain parameter, if you will. It'll also be able to put in the price range that you want, whether it's how much you're qualified for, the max that you're qualified for, or whatever you're comfortable buying a house at. It's up to you. So like I said, I'll create that search for you. As we're going and you see stuff and we start getting out and seeing homes and you're not liking some of the things that we have in that search, I can always change it. Or if you have multiple zip codes or multiple areas that you're looking in, I can also create multiple searches for you. That way I'll label it. At the top of the email, it will say, you know, this specific zip code, search for this specific subdivision, and so on and so forth. And then we'll get emails hopefully every day, you know, multiple times a day. And the email will let us know whether there's a new listing that has come in that fits that criteria, a price change of a home that's already inside that search that we created, or a home that's dropped into that price range that we created. So let's say your top was $400,000 you wanted to spend, and a house was at $410,000, and now it drops to $399,000. We're going to get an email as soon as it gets updated in the MLS. I'm going to get emailed and you're going to get emailed, and we can go and look at that home if it interests you. So we're going to always be on the same page. I'll always be able to go and see what you've seen. So you'll just have to say, hey Sean, this is a home I saw the other day. Can we go out and see it? Perfect. I can pull up my email, I can find it, or just give me the address and I can get it all put together. And then the next thing we'll do is we'll go out and start looking at homes. I'm going to put out another video of how that all works, putting the whole itinerary together and what I have to do on my end to get everything ready for us, and I'll explain that to you so you understand how that works. So be looking out for that video. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to get out there and start looking for homes and start seeing all the homes that we're going to go out there and find for you. Thanks again for watching.